This is a slate. And just why, you ask, is this important? Well, as an editor, you really need a way to figure out how to sync the audio and the video of your project. Now keep in mind, this is really only important if you're using a field recorder like the Zoom H5 or a Sound Devices Mix Pre. So if you are recording directly to your camera, peace out, have a nice one. Thanks for watching the video. Go check out one of my many other videos. But if this actually does pertain to you, let me start you off with a free tip. What I want you to do is start the audio on your camera, start the audio on your field recorder, and then clap. That's it. Really, that's it. Now, this is because when you take that audio and that video and put it in your software, you can usually sync them manually or even automatically depending on your software. So what exactly is the point of that slate if you just clap? Well, the point of the slate is so that you can add visual context to your scene. A slate is important because you can always write down the things that you're using, like the camera, any lenses that you're using, any filters that you're using, and most importantly, the scenes and the takes. So most big budget house productions either clap their hands or use a slate. Well, that's not exactly the case. You see, most big productions use something called timecode generation, and that's when you will sync the clock inside of your camera and inside of your audio recorder, and then you never have to worry about it because they're running on the exact same time. But unless you're in a production where you have multiple cameras or multiple microphones, you never typically have to worry about it. So let's go ahead and look at the free and or really cheap way to actually sync these on the computer. All right, so here we are at the computer. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to actually sync this up. So you supposedly would be having to record not only on your camera, but also your offboard audio recorder. So it would pretty much look like this. When you drag and drop in your clip, you're gonna have your video as well as the audio from that clip, and then you're gonna drag in the audio from your offboard recorder. Now, if you look very closely, you see this peak right here. That is your clap, or in this case, your snap. So once you snapped, it got captured in that very quick little blip on your audio meter. You can go ahead and make that bigger so that you can see it better. Now, once you bring in your other stream of audio, let's say this was your other stream of audio, they both have these little clicks. So what you do is you drag it, you zoom in, you sync it, and then you listen to it. And you listen to try and get them both as even as possible. Just like that. So now these two clips are synced. So if we go ahead and turn that down, you can hear they play at the exact same time. This is for B-roll. This is, no matter if I mute one, is for B-roll. It matches perfectly up with my lips. These are perfectly synced, and you don't have to worry about it anymore. And now let's go ahead and take it one step further. Just like I said, some programs can do this automatically, and so can Davinci Resolve. So you have these two clips, and they're out of time, but the waveforms are similar because it's exactly the same thing. So if I go ahead and select both of these clips, and then I right-click on my mouse, you can, let's see, auto-align clips based on waveform. Just like I said, we're not doing timecode, that is an option, but we're doing waveform. And then, boom, once again, these are automatically aligned. This is for B-roll. They are perfectly aligned. And it's really that simple. All right, so adding video and audio and syncing them together can be extremely difficult, but I hope that today you learned something new, and if you did, take a second and go ahead and like this video. Helps out the channel immensely and helps it get pushed out to more people who are looking for an answer just like this one. If you liked it, like it, subscribe if you want more content on this same exact topic, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.